In this tutorial, we will see that how can we restore deleted contacts on Android in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. So here's our all contacts now. And now if we delete some of contacts from here, like so. And now to restore them, what you can do is open your phone settings and scroll it down until you find here Google. Open it, and here in Google services, it will show you your Gmail. Click to open it and click on that Google account. Here you will see this new window here. You will be on this home. You have to drag this bar to left side, and here you will see peoples and sharing. And now if you scroll it down, you will find your contacts. You need to open it to restore your contact, and here it will show you the list of all of your contacts. Then click on these three lines that's showing on left upper side and open trash from here. And here's a list of all the contacts that have been in trash more than 30 days. You can store them all by just one click. Like click on any of the contact and it will show you this one selected. If you want to select all, click on this arrow icon and select all. All the contacts will be selected, and then you can click on recover. So for this tutorial, we will recover only one contact here. Click to select and then click on that recover, and it will start working here. And you can see here this notification of one contact recovered, and that's it. So that's how you can restore deleted contacts on Android in just few easy steps.